Hello, I'm Pankaj Sharma, an educator and consultant in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and project management. In this video, I'll explain a two-layer neural network clearly, simply, and with real data, all with one simple example. The example is predicting exam pass probability for a student based on study hours and attendance. Let's now see how a neural network actually calculates values. Our inputs are simple. 5 hours of study and class attendance equal to 1. Each connection has a weight, which tells the network how important that input is. The hidden neuron multiplies inputs by weights, adds a bias, and applies an activation function. For the first hidden neuron, 0.6 times 5 plus 0.4 times 1 plus a bias of 0.1. This gives 3.5. The second hidden neuron does a similar calculation and produces 1.5. These values are no longer raw inputs. They are learned features. Now the output layer combines these features using new weights and a bias. After applying the sigmoid function, the output becomes 0.99. That means the network predicts a 99% chance of passing. So every layer does three things: multiply, add, and activate. That's the core logic of a neural network. We've seen how values are calculated using weights and bias. Now let's name the two key processes. When inputs move from left to right, from inputs to hidden layer to output, this is called forward propagation. In forward propagation, the network multiplies inputs by weights, adds bias, applies activation, and produces a prediction. In our example, forward propagation gives an output of 0.99. Now comes backward propagation. Backward propagation starts after we know the correct answer. The network compares the prediction with the actual result, calculates the error, and sends this error backward through the network. While moving backward, the network adjusts the weights and biases so the next prediction is more accurate. Forward propagation is about prediction, backward propagation is about learning. Together, they allow a neural network to improve with every example.